This could save your life. If you find yourself in a survival situation in nature, knowing how to build basic shelters can be essential for protection. Here are 3 simple structures you can build, along with basic instructions for each. 1. A frame shelter. An A-frame shelter provides good protection against rain and wind. Instructions. Materials needed: 2 long branches, about 6 to 8 feet long. Smaller branches, leaves or pine needles for insulation. Steps. Find 2 sturdy, long branches about the same length and place them against a strong tree, or set them up with their tops meeting at an angle to form an A shape. Support the top by tying them together with rope, string, or vine. Alternatively, wedge the tops between 2 trees. Add smaller branches or poles across the